welcome back to How to Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we will show you how to remove or how to replace headlight assembly on a Dodge Dart. We will show you left, right side, guys, will be identical. First, guys, we will need to remove the bumper in order to get to the headlights, and we will explain why. Now, quick introduction, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So now we have a few clips that we need to remove. We need to get a clip remover too. You need to separate the two pieces, guys, and pull the clip, okay, the center piece out, and then you pull the rest of the clips, okay, like that. We already got them loose here, so we don't waste your time, guys. Okay, check out how many clips we have. Four on each side, so 8 clips, guys, that we need to remove. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos, guys, you can find the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So please take advantage of that, guys, it's for your convenience. Now right here we have 2 bolts that we need to remove. This one right here, 10mm socket, and we have one more on the other side. This bolt stays and the one over there stays as well. So we go ahead and pull it out, okay, like that. And that piece, guys, is out of here. We don't need it anymore. So we can proceed now with the next step. So with the clip remover too, we're going to go ahead and start taking a few clips apart now right here. You can see just one by one. Okay, you can see how many clips we have, guys. Okay, perfect. Some of them will be stuck. You have dirt stuck in them, so definitely, guys, they will be a little stuck, but eventually they will come out. Now we have a couple more here. So just to get an idea where we are, okay, we just have 3 more, so we can come all the way to here. This is super handy too, guys. Without that too, it will be really hard to remove all that stuff. Okay, perfect. Now everything here on top, okay, it should be loose. We have a few bolts that we need to remove now. 2 bolts with 10mm socket. Perfect. Okay, looks like everything is loose on this side now, nothing else holding. So actually, guys, from what we can see now, okay, we have to remove that bolt right here. Okay, and you may not need to remove 2 clips now. Okay, 2 clips, one here and one over there. Those are the 2 that we remove. Those you can just leave them on for now. If you want, you can take them off, it's up to you, but I think it will come out with that little piece right here that we just have. So this one is with a 10mm socket. We're going to remove it now. Okay, perfect. Okay, looks like it's coming loose now on this side. Okay, let's see what else we'll be holding now. So you grab it, guys. Okay, it has a couple clips here. Okay, it has a few that go on the headlight. We do the same thing on this side. You kind of like have to push back and pull up at the same time, so you don't stretch the clips too much. Okay, perfect. So let's continue now with the next step. So now, guys, right here you're supposed to have 2 more clips on the bottom. We are missing those. We'll get 8mm socket. 8mm. Excuse me. And we'll remove a couple bolts. You're supposed to have 3 of those bolts, guys. Okay, and 1 on the bottom. Ours is missing that. So what we did here, guys, okay, you have 2 more clips to remove on the bottom, and these 3 bolts with 8mm you will need to do on the left side of the vehicle as well. Now right here, when you open the fender liner, Okay, you're going to have another 8mm bolt in the corner, guys. Okay, yep, almost there. More to the outside. This one looks like a 10mm. This one I think it's a 10, not an 8. It's a little bit bigger. That's the one holding the bumper towards the, okay, towards actually the fender. Okay, this one, guys, it is coming out, but it's rusted too much, so it's spinning a little bit in the clip. I'll need to hold it with the pliers. So we'll get a 10mm wrench, guys. Okay, and let me just get on top of it now. Well, it looks like it's an 8mm, it's not a 10. I'll need to get an 8mm wrench and I'll be able to hold it. So 9mm offset box wrench, guys. Okay, and we remove the bolt that holds the bumper to the fender. Now we have the same thing, guys, on the left side. Okay, we're going to save you that. Most of it, guys, okay, because right here, that bumper is broken, ours. Okay, you can see the whole bumper here is broken, but you have the 3 bolts that you need to remove. You have that 10mm. Okay, let me show you where it is actually. Okay, this is it, guys. This is the bolt. You can see that's what it looks like. But unfortunately, this bumper, guys, is damaged right here. So now, the same thing we'll need to do on the left side like we did on the right side. We're going to cut the zip ties that somebody used here. And if you have one cover on the bottom with clips, guys, you will need to remove it. And here we have a few more bolts. Okay, let's see. This will come with the radiator shutter. So we need to go ahead and disconnect the radiator shutter. Okay, wiring harness. So let me get there and disconnect it. So that radiator shutter will stay on the bumper now. We want to flip it so I can show you how to disconnect it, otherwise it's a little bit harder to disconnect it, guys. So what we'll do now, okay, we're going to start pulling the bumper out of the clips now. Okay, you can see it came loose on that side. On this side it's already broken there, so we don't need to worry, but it has a few clips that hold in the headlight. Okay, like that. Now it's very important not to break your radiator shutter grill, guys. Okay, right here. So how you remove it? Okay, that gray piece here, guys. Okay, that's a safety lock. Okay, that gray piece will need to slide back, so I'll need to get a small screwdriver, and we'll do that now. Okay, perfect. I'll leave it like that. We'll get a small screwdriver, and I'm going to pop it open now. Okay, slide it towards the back. Okay, perfect. One side is out, the other one. Now press in the clip, press in, and pull out. Okay, this thing will be stuck, so let me get it now. So okay, you need to, guys, push it in a little bit. Push it in. Okay, and right here, okay, is the tooth. If it doesn't want to come out, okay, just pry it open. Let me show you now. This is, guys, okay, right here. When you press in, it's supposed to release that tooth, but it was stuck. And you can see now, we got the bumper assembly out of the car. Just like that. So we'll demonstrate on the front right headlight. Front light will be exactly the same way, guys. 10mm socket. We're going to remove a couple bolts now. One right here. Okay. This guys now is okay. Let's see if this one will slide out of here or it doesn't. I don't know if it comes out with the headlight or not. That piece, we'll just keep it like that. We'll see. Now on this side it is loose. We have one clip now right here that we need to remove. You can see under the bolts, it's just the same clip that we removed on the bumpers earlier, the same kind of clip I think. So just pop the middle piece up. It's a little bit harder to get to, so we might need to start it with a screwdriver if it doesn't want to. We'll just get a flathead screwdriver, and you have two spots that are, you can see that are flat, where you can just pry it up a little bit. That way we can get the tool in and we can pull it out. Okay, perfect. Now right here guys, we have one more bolt holding the headlight, okay, back there, for the fender, only for the fender. That's the only bolt that we have guys, we don't have anything else on the front. Okay, right there, this is it. Now that headlight will come out guys. Okay, I think that's the only thing holding it. Yep, you just get it, slide it, and here okay, you're supposed to have one more tap. Okay, check it out now. Ours slid out because it's broken. Here you have one more tap. This one is okay, it is good. It's broken from the headlight, so that's the tap guys. Okay, that's broken there. So this bolt, okay, looking at the headlight from the inside of your car, okay, it's this bolt down there. Okay, so practically, okay, you will need to use an extension to get to it through here. This is the hidden bolt. In our case, we need to repair that tap because it is broken. How that happened, I have no idea. The car hasn't been in an accident on this side. Maybe they bumped into something gently. Okay, and it comes out. Now we need to disconnect all the bulbs and stuff. So you can just, I can just pull them, and later we can remove the sockets if we need to. One more there on top. Okay, one here, and the whole headlight assembly will come out, but we need to get a clip remover tool right here so we can disconnect, okay, the wiring harness from the headlight, like that. And that whole thing guys came out just like that. So hopefully guys, okay, the video will be helpful to any of you doing that repair. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.